Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So how do you highlight the text or sentence or paragraph whatever? So you can highlight the text or sentence or paragraph in Google Docs by first you just want to select the entire sentence or paragraph. For an example, I just choosing this line and here you can see a highlight color option. You just pick this color, you can see a lot of colors. You can choose any one of the color. For an example, I choose green and I just want to have a different color for this. So just clicking the here and you can also choose the custom color from the wide variety of range of colors. So you can choose the colors and you can also type the RGB ratio, the colors that you want, and click OK. And second, another option was to select the color was you just click on the highlight color. You can see pick a custom color option. You just want to click this, and if you have any image or image about the color object image, you can pick the color. For an example, I'm just going to choose this blue color. Just easy as it. So I just going to choose another color by picking up here. So I need a purple color from this logo. That's easy. So it's so simple. You can make, if you don't want this color, if you want to undo the color option, you just click here, then click on the highlighter and click choose as none. So now it's going to be white. So this is a super option. You can use this on Google Docs and make use of it to highlight the important points on your document or entire document. So try this on Google Docs, and if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to click on subscribe button below.